clients' success stories. Watch how our clients achieved amazing results with our marketing and optimization services.
Hi, I'm Ryan with ALN Welding Solutions. I just wanted to give a quick thank you to Roman Harrison and his team over at toptechdigital. They've done a wonderful job at creating and running our Google business profile, building us a wonderful website, alnweldingsolutions.com, managing it, working with our social media posts on Facebook and Instagram. They've really done a wonderful job for us. We are happy and plan to continue to use them in the future. Thanks, Roman. Have a great day.
Hi, this is Metin from Nova Cabinets US. We are working with toptechdigital and with Aaron Williams. We are very happy with the results as this is the first month, but we get some success. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you for your stuff. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
My name is Chris, and I'm the owner of Clark's Wash and Go Mobile Detailing. I have been using toptechdigital for almost 2.5 years, and they have done nothing but good things for me, for my site. I have been at #1 all these years, and they keep helping me out, adding more structures and better ideas. They are the company to go for. I absolutely trust them. And if you have any questions, the guy I use is Henry. He's top notch. Can't beat it. Go for it.